Hi, good day. Here's the chart about on the gold. Um, from the monthly point of view, what I can see is that the price to me is stuck in a range with the high at 12.95 and the low about 11.93. So this is a big range for gold, and for those gold bucks buyers, this rise that you see here is due to the political tension, geopolitical tension that's going around. And if this tension escalates, then you will see gold breaking up here. But until right now, I think the all the world investors have said that this is right, would be the point for them to say, hey, we'll just sit here on the fence and decide. So from the tension, you could finally we saw finally that the gold broke out from the uh, descending channel right up the support area here. So I'm still waiting for the next move. This is one of those signs that, hey, gold is actually slowly recovering and moving up. So what I'm going to look here is that this is the next chart I'll be looking at. Make it one smaller. So after breaking out, you see this is a rising uptrend channel. I can see that to really confirm that the gold is really going to push up, gold has first to break this area here at about 1295.81, right? And it has to really break it convincingly for me to believe that this level is not a resistance at the end of the day for gold, and we are caught. So for those gold short-term buyers, an area that we can look at to do slowly tiptoe into buying the gold market is about 1282.01, which is about here, and we have a double support in this area right about here, so it's good. I'll be more confident into the buying if price first close above here, then it comes down again. If I'm buying it, if it doesn't do that, so this area would be an area I said, hey, I'm going to look at this area first, and probably if the buys are successful at this area, then this would be my targets instead. So I have to be very careful with this. Looking back to the 4-hour time frame, that's the analysis confirms my view. Sorry, I forgot to check 1282. So this area here, yeah, still the same thing. You see, what we have is a support. Price has already hit resistance and telling us that, hey, it's coming down. These are the areas that we should look for buyings. Now, one thing I'd like you to see is that from 1255 we had a lot of buying moving up, right? Moving up, moving up, moving up. As you see, coming into the last lap right here, the number of traders in this area has what they call lessened considerably, because you look at the candle sizes, you will see right up to here then not really a lot of participation. And what we have here is a candle with a small body with a big wick up and a big wick down. Now if you are into candle studies, right, you would see this is known as a high wave candle, and a high wave candle represents confusion. It's not only the market is tired, the market is confused. Confused in what way? Should we break up and trade, go above here or down? The people just don't know, because you have sellers selling up from the top, buyers buying from the bottom, and they are not pushing either way, up or down. So what I can see here, that is from that short-term basis, this would then be a critical point for traders to see whether this area can price break it, and here. So if price eventually does break this area, I think you would see more sellers coming in, and here more buyers. So nevertheless, if the selling is really furious in this area, I would how do I know that is that if price breaks this low, this low right here at 1281, and there are a lot of sellers coming down, I would revisit my buy view. Okay, my buy view. But if it's trickling slowly, it doesn't break it furiously with big huge candles, then it's different. So I would review again my buy view at these areas if this place is broken without much respect. Okay, so let's see if it does break. Then 1255 definitely be an area that we can look again for future buys. But right now, what it's pointing to us that this is an area that we can look at about 1282 to 1271. Okay, this for me, this is still a very strong area to contend with. So let me mark this area for you guys. So look out for buys at this area about 12782, right from 1282 area right up to 1271. This $12 zone is a very important area for the gold. So all the best in your trading this week, and I'll talk to you soon.